Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open Zapya on both devices and allow the app permissions for storage and location. Tap Create Group on the sender and tap Join on the receiver to pair. Confirm the QR code scan or manual PIN to connect securely without internet. Use Wi-Fi Direct to form a local hotspot. Range typically reaches 3.5 meters. Check device names to avoid confusion when up to 10 devices appear in the list. Now proceed to select files to send following the next steps. Open the Files tab and choose categories such as photos, videos, apps, or documents. Tap Select and pick multiple files. You can select up to 100 items at once. After selection, tap Send and confirm the recipient device that shows as a green icon. Transfer speeds vary, but expect around 8 to 10 MB per second on good Wi-Fi. A 100 MB file usually transfers in roughly 10 to 12 seconds using those speeds. Monitor the progress bar and pause or cancel if you need to free storage space quickly. On the receiving device, accept the incoming transfer and choose a Save folder immediately. Zapya saves media to the app gallery and documents to the Zapya folder in storage. Check settings to enable automatic receipt for trusted devices and reduce confirmations. Use the share feature to send entire folders. Long transfers benefit from charging the devices. For cross-platform transfers, install Zapya on Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac before starting. If transfers fail, restart Wi-Fi, reconnect, or use the QR parent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.